Did you know every calculator app uses just a few simple operators? Today, you'll learn the same operators programmers use every day.
Imagine buying snacks, calculating scores, or measuring distance. All these tasks use mathematical operations.
Operators are special symbols that perform operations on data. They help computers calculate and process information. Operators are special symbols that perform operations on data. They help computers calculate and process information. Without operators, programs couldn't calculate anything. They are the backbone of data processing. If you add two numbers together, you're already using an operator. Programming works the same way. In this lesson, we'll learn 5 arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus.
The plus sign adds values together. It's one of the most commonly used operators.
5 plus 3 equals 8. The computer performs this instantly. Let's see addition inside a real C program. This is how programmers use it. Addition is only the beginning. Let's explore the other operators. Now that you've learned the basics, let's hand it over to Zane for a deeper look.
The minus sign subtracts one value from another. It helps calculate differences.
If you have $10 and spend 3, you're left with 7. The asterisk symbol is used for multiplication. It quickly scales values. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12. The computer performs this instantly. The / is used for division. It splits values into equal parts. "12 divided by 3 equals 4. This is useful in countless programs. The modulus operator uses the percent symbol. It returns the remainder after division. 10 modulus 3 equals 1, because 1 is the remainder. Now you've seen all 5 arithmetic operators. They form the foundation of calculations in C. Now you understand the theory behind operators. Let's join Sarah for practical examples.
Let's put these operators into a real program. This is where coding becomes exciting. This program performs multiple arithmetic operations. Watch how each operator works. The computer calculates each expression. Then displays the results. Games use operators to calculate scores. They're running constantly in the background. Social media platforms use calculations too. Likes, views, and statistics rely on operators. Many beginners confuse division and modulus. Remember, modulus gives the remainder. Quick challenge. What is the answer to 25 modulus 4? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. If you're ready to master C programming step by step, subscribe to Design Sensei and continue your coding journey with us.